Welcome to the nest of Rewild Rentals here in Hocking Hills, Ohio. This honeymoon retreat will blow you away. Let's go check it out.
When you arrive, you come past a cute little Rewild's rental sign that welcomes you onto the property, and then you drive down your private driveway leading up to this beautiful couple's cabin that has some great contrasting colors with the black exterior and wood accents. That's just really inviting and makes you so excited to get inside.
Oh yes. And being in Hocking Hills, Ohio, we're literally 5 minutes from the Hocking Hills State Park, which has tons of hiking, waterfalls, caves. It's beautiful there, so lots of adventure to be had here. And then on this same property, the owners actually have another cabin that's called Ravenhaus. It's larger, it's meant for maybe multiple families or a larger family, and it is a beautiful cabin as well that we're gonna stay in the next couple of nights. So be sure to stay tuned for that video. But let's go check out the deck.
The great thing about this back deck is there are multiple places to hang out, including a little dining seating area with some really cute plants that are hung on this slatted wall behind it. Love that feature. And then they have a grill right next to it so you can cook yourself a delicious meal. And then a really cool thing we haven't seen at any other Airbnb is this circle hanging hammock swing on the deck. So I'm excited to get in that.
Special.
Yeah.
Feels like a teepee.
Yeah, so kind of a little adventure. And then they've got a hot tub to relax and enjoy the view, as well as these really cool lounge chairs, perfect for laying back and relaxing.
And out front of the cabin are some string lights that go over a fire pit. And I just love the exterior of this cabin. The shape is very unique, it's special. It feels more like a bungalow than a cabin, really. And it feels like a honeymoon getaway. It's really special.
Romantic.
And speaking of that hot tub, I think we need to take a dip.
Okay.
Definitely one of the most relaxing spots here at the nest, but let's finish up that tour.
When you walk inside to your right, it opens up into the main living area. Off to this side is the beautiful kitchen that has all stainless steel appliances, a massive sink with these huge windows above it. So while you are washing dishes or your hands, you just feel like you're outside, even though you're inside. And then they have floating shelves with very thoughtfully chosen dishes on them to make it look really beautiful. And then my favorite finish of the kitchen is the black countertops that actually extends up above the oven, which I haven't seen before. So that's a unique feature. And then everything just goes together seamlessly, including the little dining table that they have for two. It's just the perfect size for this little space.
And then it flows right over here into the living room. We've got a couch with a beautiful decoration above of these wood rounds. And then we've got a nice chandelier hanging above. There is a velvet green chair and ottoman here. And I love that the host has worked in the greens. I just love that dark green color.
If you can't tell, it's his favorite.
And not only here, but it's also in Ravenhaus. Amy's done a great job decorating these places. Probably my favorite feature is right across from us. You've got a stone wall that extends up to the ceiling. That's where you've got your TV, and then there's a record player and a little stand down below, and then a gas wood-burning stove right in the corner. Everything in here really ties together perfectly to make it feel cozy, but also luxurious.
Yes. And then right around the corner is the bathroom. Leading into the bathroom, you have this huge live edge wood slab that acts as your door. It is stunning. And then when you walk into the bathroom, they have beautiful finishes with the vanity and the tile floor and tile that goes all the way up on the walls of the shower tub combo area. It is just stunning. You really feel like you're kind of at a spa, which is awesome. And they have a skylight above the tub, so it's really the perfect spot.
And then right down the hall is the master bedroom with a king bed. You're surrounded in windows, so that way you can feel like you're in the woods while you're here. It's got a beautiful chandelier above, a couple of lamps on each side, and it really is a beautiful, beautiful spot out here. It feels like a bungalow, and it's really like a honeymoon retreat. It is serene. So if you want to book the nest for yourself, we will leave a link in the description below. And then if you want to book Ravenhaus, their larger cabin that's also on this property, we'll leave a link there as well. Real quick, if you're a host of a unique or amazing Airbnb that you want us to feature, you can go to journeymore.com and fill out the contact form. We would love to work with you. Also, be sure to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and comment down below what your favorite part of the nest is.
And now we are gonna have a little bit of fun.
Playing a new game called Doomlings. We've played this multiple times with friends. It's super fun, very simple, but also some strategy to it. It's a great one.
Yeah. Quick.
Was it my turn?
Yeah.
Oh.
You're the only other person here.
I guess so. You did like that one, didn't you?
No, it was not me.
Or I liked that one.
Yeah.
Yes. I did like that. You want me to say mine or you?
Yes, you first.
38. What did you get?
29.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow, I thought you had more.
No.
Okay.
All right.
Go to bed.
Yes. I like this. Yeah. Great bed.
If you want to book a stay here at the Nest, we'll leave a link in the description below. Be sure to check out our video of the owner's other cabin, Ravenhaus. We'll also leave a link to that one in the description too. We're also starting a new thing. We want to learn more about our followers. So we're going to be asking some unique questions in every video. So we want you to comment down below. Here's the first question. If you could travel anywhere in the world for a week, where would it be? Be sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel.